In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use API in Lovable 2025 guide. We'll start simple. Open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Lovable and look for the official Lovable site. Click through to open it. Starting from Google is handy if you're new, and it helps you land on the correct, up-to-date domain. Once you're on the Lovable page, you'll see a prompt box. This is where you describe what you want to build. For example, you can ask for an app that shows current weather, forecasts, historical weather, air quality, and astronomy for any location using weatherapi.com. You can also include helpful touches like search and autocomplete, caching to reduce quota usage, and an optional authenticated user area for saved locations. Write your prompt clearly and in plain language. Lovable does a great job interpreting structured requests. When you're happy with it, click Submit and give it a moment to draft your project. Before we make any API calls, here's a crucial security note. Many APIs require a key. Do not paste an API key directly into Lovable or expose it in your front end. Instead, you'll route calls through a secure backend and store secrets safely. Lovable supports this via an integration with Supabase, so let's set that up. In your Lovable project, open the project title to enter the project dashboard. Go to Settings, then Integrations, and choose Supabase. Click to connect your project. This integration is designed to keep your secrets protected while giving your app everything it needs to call external APIs. Next, go to your Supabase dashboard and create a new project. This gives you a secure place to run edge functions and store secrets. In Supabase, use the Secrets Manager for your API key. You'll reference it from your edge function so it never appears in client code. This approach not only protects your key, it also lets you add rate limiting, caching, and validation in one place. With that setup complete, the real magic happens. Lovable will automatically generate the backend logic, such as edge functions, and the front-end user interface to make your API calls work end-to-end. You'll get a clean flow. The UI talks to your secure function, the function talks to the external API with your stored secret, and responses return safely to the app. All of this dramatically reduces the amount of boilerplate you'd normally write, so you can focus on the creative parts, your prompt, your user experience, and the features that set your app apart.